Deer can't help but to freeze in the headlights. It's how their eyes and brain work. At night, deer rely heavily on rod cells in their eyes to see in the dark. Those cells are extremely light sensitive. When a bright set of headlights suddenly hits them, it overloads their vision, like staring into a camera flash. They're temporarily blinded and can't tell which way to run. On top of that, their natural response to danger is to stay still and rely on camouflage. Out in the wild, that works great. On a road, not so much. Deer become blind, confused, and do what instinct tells them. Don't move.